Ever wondered what happens if your work truck gets into an accident on the job? Or if your delivery van is damaged during a business run? That's where commercial auto insurance comes in, and no, your personal car insurance probably won't cover it. Check out the link in the description box below. So, what is commercial auto insurance? It's a policy designed to protect vehicles used for business purposes. Whether you own a fleet of trucks or just use your personal car to make deliveries, this type of insurance helps cover costs if something goes wrong on the road. Here's what it typically covers. Liability coverage. If your vehicle causes injury or property damage to others, this helps pay for legal and medical expenses. Collision coverage covers repair or replacement costs if your business vehicle hits something or gets hit. Comprehensive coverage. Think theft, fire, vandalism, or even a tree falling on your van. Medical payments takes care of medical bills for you or your driver after an accident. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. If someone hits you and doesn't have enough insurance, this has your back. Now, who needs it? If you own a business and use vehicles for hauling equipment, transporting goods, making client visits, or even food delivery, you probably need commercial auto insurance. And yes, even if it's just one car. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.